Hi guys, hope you are doing good. So welcome to the demo session of robotic process automation. So today I will quickly share the objective of this session th- and the overview of automation anywhere, and we will talk and discuss more on upcoming classes. So let's get started. First of all, we will understand what is RPA and why automation anywhere. So RPA is nothing but robotic process automation, which is used to automate end-to-end business processes. So business processes are nothing but the repetitive high volume sequence of steps. So RPA can automate the business processes without human interaction, and RPA can perform only the rule based actions instructed by the developer. Bot cannot think its own and it cannot perform its own actions. All actions performs instructed by the developer only. So RPA utilize the user interface to capture the data and manipulate applications just like human do. So what is business process? So business process will, is nothing but the sequence of repetitive actions. So business process categorized into banking, HR, invoices, finance, customer services, operations, manufacturers, loans. These are all the different kinds categories of business processes. So but as per the robotic process automation development, business process should be a rule based process, and RPA cannot think like human. It performs actions based upon the business requirement instructed by human or developer. uh, let's have a look into the sample business processes. So here we have a sample business process having sequence of steps. So these all steps employee is doing manually on daily basis. So instead of employee, RPA bot can automate this process on daily basis more accurate and more faster than human by 24 by 7. So it saves lot of time and costs. Let's have a look into the sample business process tips. So here the business process is to find the minimum balance. So it has 6 sequence of steps, repetitive common steps. So the first step is extract the data from banking website and find the total number of users and account balance details, and find whether the balance is greater than minimum balance or not. If not, fetch all the details like username, account number, balance, mobile number, and put all the data into an Excel file and send the Excel file and sends the email notification alert on the balance details. So this is a sample business process. These steps are common and repetitive. The employee is doing manually on daily basis. So instead of human effort, we can use robotic process automation to automate this process every day in repetitive manner without human interaction. So why automation anywhere? So RPA, there are several tools available currently for RPA in current industry, like Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, UiPath, Workfusion, Kofax, Microsoft Power Automate, OpenSpan. These are all the different types of RPA tools. So but Automation Anywhere has more powerful user friendly interface and no coding required for automation anywhere to develop the tasks or robots. So it is easy to develop the task and robot which is more faster and effective. So we can develop the robot or project less than 2 weeks of time. So most of the MNCs are using automation anywhere. And year 2019, let's have a look on automation anywhere partners, business partners, and technology partners as well. So let's have a look into the business partners first. So these all are the top MNCs. These all are the top MNCs which are using automation anywhere. So let's have a look into those MNCs. Accenture, Deloitte, CSS, Cognizant, Genpact, IBM, EY, Infosys, ISC, KPMG, PwC. These all are the top level MNC companies which are using automation anywhere. So more than 300 MNCs are using automation anywhere around the world. And these all are the technology partners. So the technology partners of automation anywhere are Salesforce, IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, Citrix, AWS, SAP. So these are all the technology partners of automation anywhere. So automation anywhere has bright future. And also recently automation anywhere introduced a 2019 web based, so which it covers all the concepts and topics of other RPA tools like UiPath, Blue Prism. So using a 2019 version which we can cover all other RPA tools. And automation anywhere has more powerful and user friendly interface. We can develop the code easily. Let's have a look into the automation anywhere architecture. So the automation anywhere architecture mainly consider as three parts. So one is bot creator, and second one is control room, and third one is bot runners. So bot creator, generally in bot creator developer works and create the bots. Here we can develop the code in a sequential manner. We can easily drag and drop the corresponding commands, and we can build the robot or task. So this environment is also called as task editor or workbench. So we will discuss more about the commands in upcoming classes. Coming to control room. So control room, here we can schedule the bot, trigger the bot, and it has other features as well like dashboard. It shows bot analytics like start time, end time, success, fail, SLA, everything. It will show the bot analytics. And we can also check upcoming processes, schedules, ongoing processes, completed processes, history, log data. And we can also check the credential wallet to save the secure data. And also using repository, we can upload, we can download the code easily, and we can also set the versions of the code, and we can roll back the versions of the code using repository. So bot creator and bot runner are two different roles. So bot creator, which it allows us to create a code, modify the code, and run the code. But bot runner, we can only run the code which is used to run the task in UAT and prod environments. So bot runner is nothing but a robot. So we can run n number of processes in a single robot, or we can run n number of robots for a single process. So multiple bots can run parallelly. Using control room, we can schedule and trigger the bot runners. So we will look into the components and architecture of automation anywhere in detail in our upcoming sessions. So let's have a look of control room. We can see here dashboard. It shows the analytics of the bot, the total number of bot schedules, queues, success, fail, start time, end time, log details. And in activity panel we can see ongoing processes, scheduled processes, completed processes, in a historical tab. And bots, here we can see develop bots path, and we can schedule, we can trigger the bots, we can map it to devices, and we can show the load, and we can check the logs. In administration, here we can set the roles: bot creator, runner, admin. So we can check the roles. So this is a workbench or task editor. Here we can develop our own tasks or business processes in a sequential manner. So here we no need to write single line of code. So we can just drag and drop corresponding application commands, and we can perform the business actions. So automation anywhere will also provide few inbuilt variables, and we can create a master task, subtask, and we can call task subtask from the master task. So we will discuss more about commands, variables, control room, bot runner, production environment, and UAT environment, best practices. We will discuss in upcoming classes. This is just overview and the objective of this online classes. So I have total 8 years of experience. Mm, I have worked on email automation, web automation, VBA, Excel macros, VB scripts, JavaScripts, C Sharp, SQL queries, and other platforms as well. So my main objective is to train the real time scenarios, issues, challenges, best practices. So most of the institutions are trainers. Oh no, outside. So they'll just train like a basic commands, overview, print hello message, installation, sample project. But unlike others, my main agenda is to share my experience, the real time projects. I can share my real time projects, solution documents, requirement gathering, the all phases like requirement gathering, development, code migration, production, maintenance support, everything, all phases. I will share the documents, and I can I can train the best practices as per the industry standards, how to handle the errors, exceptions, known errors, unknown errors, drawbacks, issues, code reusability, installation, commands, development prerequisites, UAT prerequisites, and production prerequisites, system resolutions. What are all the best practices, and which command is suitable for the different kinds of applications? How to set the properties, and how to handle error exceptions, how to create a variables. So I can share my real-time projects. I have completed 24 real-time projects using automation anywhere tool. I can show all the processes, and I can all the processes are running in production environment from last 2 years without any issues. I can share my knowledge and documents as well. So this is my main agenda. Unlike other institutions and tutors, I want to share my real time experience with the others. So in addition to this, I will also try a 2019 web based version, a automation anywhere tool, the latest version, and version differences, drawbacks, issues, advantages, disadvantages, interview questions, and production support, maintenance, real-time issues, production issues, infra-related issues, configuration-related issues, and if application changes, what should we do, and what are the best practices, code-related issues. These are all things I want to share my real-time experience. And y- in addition to these, also I want to train Excel macros, database queries, VB scripts, Outlook automation, web automation using VBA, and so Outlook automation. So to automate any organization Outlook, automation anywhere requires host name, port name. So, but most of the MNCs will not share their secure data. So in case an alternative solution, we can go with the Outlook automation using VBA. So this will help us in our real-time scenarios as well. So along with that, I can also provide project support, and I can also share the interview questions which covers all the topics. In addition to that, I can also teach UiPath, UiPath as well, and web automation. So using these VBS coding standards, we can automate all Microsoft products without using any RPA tool. So we don't need any RPL tool to automate any business processes. If we know the knowledge or basics on VBA, then we can automate the free of cost. So I can teach VBA scripts as well, VBA as well, web automation, Outlook automation as well. So also in real time scenarios, Excel operations is different, and demo purpose is different. So it is not just like drag and drop and set cell get cell. So in real time we will have huge number of records, more than 1 lakh records. So that is very difficult to automate. So I can train the best practices to automate huge number of records in Excel automation, and Excel as database, Excel macros. I can teach all the ways and best practices to automate the process to deliver the quality of code. So this is just uh, uh, overview and objective of the class. So we will discuss more topics and real-time scenarios in upcoming classes. Thank you so much.